Imagine your heat source fails during a cold snap. Do you have a backup plan? Today I'll show you how to use candles to warm a room during an emergency safely and effectively. Start with a simple setup. Gather several sturdy candles and a heat-resistant surface like a ceramic plate. Position the candles in a central, well-ventilated area free of flammable materials. This creates a safe heat source. Next, enhance the heat output by placing a terracotta pot over the candles. Use a metal stand or bricks to elevate the pot, allowing air to circulate and concentrate the heat. This DIY heater is perfect for small spaces. Close off the room you're heating by shutting doors or hanging blankets to keep the warm air contained. Wear extra layers of clothing and use blankets to help your body retain heat. Always prioritize safety. Never leave candles unattended and have a fire extinguisher or water nearby. This simple technique could make a big difference in your comfort during an emergency. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below this video for helpful links.